everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Teranga. So today we're making easy great chicken dinner for my clients with our chicken breast tender. So I'm spraying right now some vegetable oil so it won't stick. Add some salt, just a little bit. Add some black pepper. Spray it all over the chicken like this. Add some garlic powder. Do the same thing and spread it all over. Add a little bit chili because it's hot. Okay, add some oregano leaves. And I want to mention something. You never heard me give the quantity of the ingredients because it depends on how many people you're cooking for. Now I'm rubbing and let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay. Alright guys, it's time to put it in the oven set to 350 degree and let it go for 30 to 35 minutes. See you guys. Now let's make our veggies. Okay, pour it like this. Add some butter. Whatever butter you have, that's fine. Add some salt, just a little bit. Add some black pepper. Add some garlic powder. Okay, now it's time for the water. Pour it and let it bubbling for 4 minutes. Okay, it's time for our fries, and let's fry them into our air fryer. Set to 10 minutes to 380 Fahrenheit. Okay guys, see you. Here is our great chicken dinner. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.